Okay, I'm going to show you the labor involved. It's not that terribly hard. Okay, so there's 4 bolts that hold the seat in. You have to remove them. Here they are. They're 14mm heads. 1 here, 2 over there. Then you come behind. There's the 3rd one right there. And there's a 4th one there. Okay, and they will have these little plastic covers on them. You just pry them off. I was able to do it with my finger. You might need a screwdriver. You get the seat. If it's a manual seat, you just try to line the seat up, as you can see, like this. Fold the front forward as far as it goes. That way you can twist the seat, tilt it on its side, and in there is a Phillips head. We take that off. Okay, that should release this piece of plastic. Sometimes they're a little stubborn. Okay, as you can see, I got that off, and it is only the one screw holding it, but when you take the screw out, the plastic's going to be kind of molded around here, so you kind of got to manipulate it to get it off without, you know, flexing it too much and breaking it and ruining that little piece's integrity. But remember, that piece goes on the inside, so if you ruin it, you ruin it. It's not the end of the world. And right there is our bolt holding the seatbelt receiver in, and probably another 14mm. Yep. That's it. Now, as you can see, there's an electrical connector here, probably to ensure that you have your seatbelt in. So I'm going to investigate that. So as you can see, the electrical connector goes here, and it just goes right to here. So all you have to do is disengage that, and which comes apart right there, and that's it. So if you're gonna have a mechanic do it, for him to charge anything more than a half-hour labor would be a little much. I was able to do this in 10 minutes, maybe 15.